Hi guys, welcome to Aditya's Guitar Hub. Today in this video we will learn the song The Story of My Life. So let's start with the finger style of intro part. So in the first part we will play. So beginning with this, first you have to press the A minor chord, that is first fret on second string, second fret of fourth string and second fret of third string. Now we have to play the fifth string and fourth string with the same thumb on single time, and then the second string, third string and fourth string. So it's like, so you will play like this. So as I am playing the fifth and fourth string together with the thumb, then second string with the middle finger, then third string with the index finger, and at last the fourth string again with the thumb. So it's like, and moving forward we have to play the first string, second string, third string and fourth string. So it's like, so in this part I am playing the first string with the ring finger. It makes it easier. So we will play a little bit faster. Repeat this whole part twice as in the song. So moving forward with the second part of the song, that is on C major chord. So it's like, so press fifth string and fourth string together with the thumb, then second string with the middle finger, third string with the index finger and fourth string with the thumb. So it is, so now you have to press with this little finger on the third fret of the fourth wire. So after pressing the third fret on the fourth wire, we have to play the fourth wire with the thumb, the second wire with the middle finger and the third wire with the index finger. So playing all together on the C chord is, then again repeat the same part, repeat it twice. So all together on C is, so playing all together from the beginning is, so as this our intro is over, now coming forward with the verse, we have to repeat this same thing 4 times. So playing with the song like, so moving forward with the third part of the song is the pre-chorus. Now in pre-chorus the chords are changed. We have to play F major chord, then G major and then E minor. So we have to play like this. So we have to play on the F major chord, the fifth and fourth string together, then second, third and fourth string, and same in the G major chord, but the difference is we don't have to play the fifth and fourth string, we have to play the sixth and fourth string, then again second, third and fourth. Then moving forward with the A minor chord, in this we have to play the fifth and fourth string together, then second, third and fourth, then first, second, third and fourth, as we have done before in the intro and verse part. So we have to play Then after that, at the last, we have to play the G major chord. Same thing we have played 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And at last of the pre-chorus, we have to strum the second string open. So the pre-chorus is all together like this. So moving with the song, we have to play. And I'll be gone tonight. F, G, A, and then at last with nothing in between. So guys, we can also play the verse and the pre-chorus part with the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern is very easy. That is down, up, 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 down. The chords we have already told that in the verse and pre-chorus. In the verse, the chords used are A minor and C major. So we have to play like this. Completing with the verse on the pre-chorus. So as the chords are F major, G major and A minor, and the beat remains same, so we will play like this with the song. And I be gone tonight. And at last, as we will play this G 3 times, so playing from starting with the song. And I'll be gone tonight. Nothing between. Now coming forward with the chorus, we have to play the chorus 2 times on the C major chord, 2 times on the F major chord, and once on the A minor, then again once on the F major, then again twice on the C major chord. The beat remains same. So playing with the song. The story of my life, I take her home, but I'm alive to keep her warm and tight. It's frozen. Now we have to repeat this whole thing once more, means twice we have to play this. So again for the second stanza. The story of my life, I give her home, I spend her love until she's broken inside. The story of my life. Now stopping at this, now our chorus is completed. So coming forward with the second verse, we have to play the same thing we have played in the first verse. You can play the finger picking or the strumming pattern, it's your choice. So going with the song. Or you can play. So it's your choice. So coming forward with the pre-chorus, the pre-chorus is also same, and the second chorus is again also same as we have played in the first part of this video. So moving forward with the third verse. Now in this verse the chords are changed. In this verse the chord added is the D minor chord. So press 4th string open, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and 1st fret on the 1st string. And the second chord used is the G major that you have already known. So the strumming pattern is the previous one only, as we have used in the chorus and pre-chorus and the verses before. So moving with the song, and I'll be waiting for time to come around. And again D minor. And after you, it's like chasing the clouds. Now with this, now last chorus is left. So last chorus is played 2 times as we have played earlier. The same thing we have to play, but it's 2 times. For the first time all the chords are played with the single strum, and with the second time we have to play the same manner we have played before with the strumming. So going with the song, the story of my life, I take her home, I drive all night to keep her warm, and time is frozen. The story of my life, I gave her home, I spent her time until she's broke inside. It's frozen. Now ending with the song, we have to play the C chord 2 times and then F chord 2 times for the line. Now going with the song, the story of my life, the story of my life, the story of my life. So the song ends at C. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more guitar tutorials. Thank you.